Each organisation has one super user who has full administration permissions to manage users and view payment and invoicing information. You can assign some or all additional privileges to other users. For example, you may want to assign permissions to another person to manage users. Handy if the super user is unavailable. To assign administration permissions, the user needs to already be set up with end-user access to Nexis Advance. You can do this by using the Add User shortcut from the homepage or by clicking through to the Users tab and then selecting Add User. Once the user exists in Account Center, find the user from the user list and click on their name. Click on the down arrow next to their role, currently end user, and select Add as Admin. From here, you have three options. Manage Users enables the user to manage user accounts, helpful potentially for your IT department or anyone that could assist the super user in setting up access for new users. Manage Organization provides super admin permissions, and there should only be one super user in an organization. Manage Invoice and Payment enables invoice and payment permissions, helpful for your accounts department or anyone responsible for the payment of invoicing. Finally, click on the Save button to assign the selected administration privileges.